Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen feature on your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So in order to use your programs in split screen mode, you're gonna have to open at least two different applications, two different programs that can be opened in the windowed mode on your laptop, and then you have to grab the top bar of the app and either drag it to the side and then put some other application on the other side by clicking on it, and then you'll be able to change the size of each window by dragging the bar between them. Now, if you want to use more than two applications at once, you can drag the application to the top of the screen and then select one of the available positions. So as you can see, we can place up to 4 tiles on the screen. In my case, I have 3 windows open, so let's try to put all of them on the display. Okay, so we just put the File Explorer in the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's put a web browser to the left side and the Microsoft Store in the top right corner. And now we can basically adjust the size of each app in the very same way, except for, as you can see, the Store application is not that adjustable, so has a fixed size, so we cannot manage it as well. But generally, that's what it looks like, and that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.